video, another vlog actually, because we're gonna be kind of doing a little bit of stirring around the house today. So today, you guys, it's kind of like our decorate after Christmas, like our winter decorate situation, because we're kind of in between seasons now. I just recently took down all of my Christmas decor. I didn't do any Christmas like videos this year just because I was in the middle of like a renovation in the kitchen, so you guys already know that. But I did decorate a little bit for Christmas. I just didn't do any videos on it. So I took all that out, and I'm gonna go ahead and be redecorating kind of like my fireplace mantle, my dining room area, and just kind of styling it up a little bit. So I picked up a couple pieces that I showed you guys in my my most recent home decor haul video that went up actually today, which is Saturday. But now I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys how I style some of those pieces up. So the first place we're gonna start is the fireplace. I pretty much took everything down. I'll show you guys what it looks like in a minute, off besides the wood inside of it. So I'm just gonna wipe everything down. I kind of took everything off, just give it a fresh slate. Eventually, I'm planning on possibly, let me know what you guys think about doing about painting it black. Well, really it's like the same color as my alum, which is iron ore. So I'm thinking about that, but until then, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little bit of a refresh. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started, you guys. I'm gonna wipe everything down, and we're gonna go ahead and get to decorate, which is super exciting. So I'll show you guys how I kind of refresh the space and just give it a brand new look. So if you wanna see how I do that, just keep on watching. Alright, you guys, now that I have everything out of here, I'm just going to vacuum it up. Vacuum cleaner. Alright guys, now that we kind of have a fresh slate, what I'm thinking about doing, I'm not sure what I'm going to put here yet. I'm just going to kind of play around with the stuff I have on top. So let's kind of see what we can come up with. So I have this vase, I got from Pottery Barn. This one here, this is the DIY one. It used to be this color I showed you guys in another video, and I ended up painting it, did like a DIY faux finish on it for this color. Okay, liking it. Look. Alright, and then here are those candle holders that I got from Hobby Lobby. drop those down at the bottom. You see that? Okay. And then, I have this little black box. And then let's try out this piece of Driftwood. Like that. Let me let that marinate for a second. Now I'm gonna put some candles, like a candle display in the side of the fireplace. Let me try that. We'll put this together real quick. Alright guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put this little candle display together really quickly. I picked this up from Amazon. I'll let you go. I'll leave a link below so you guys will be able to pick it up if you're interested as well. I also want to take the time to thank you guys for clicking on the video and watching. And I can't wait for you guys to see like the final look of the fireplace. I'm just gonna kind of play around with it to add to it, but so far it's looking really good. Got that done. And I'm still marinating on the fireplace. I don't know if I really like it or not yet, but we're gonna just roll it and see how it looks. And then see how it looks for a couple days, and then if I like it, good. If not, then I can just change it up. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that for now, just so I can kind of get a feel if I really like it or not. All right, so the next space we're gonna be updating you guys is going to be the dining room situation. And you guys, I told you guys, I don't know if I told you in another video, I don't know if the video is out yet, but I moved these curtains from my son's room to the dining room. I moved the ones that were in here in his room just because those were a little bit more yellow. Not really the style I'm going for in here anymore. So I moved these in here, which these used to actually be in my bedroom. And then I actually purchased these two pieces. This was in my home decor haul as well from the Studio McGee collection. So I'm gonna hang these here on this wall. And then also I'm going to put the two DIY vases that I did from the haul as well on the table. I'll show you guys what that looks like. But let's go ahead and get the artwork up first. And then we'll put the vases on the table as well. So here is what they look like, and I have two of these. to change up the decor on the table. Let me give it a go. This is one of those vases I did in a DIY. This is the second one. These are from the Hearth and Hand collection. So, yeah, Hearth and Hand collection. A little bit of greenery. I think that's pretty much it, y'all. So this is what it's looking like. And it's so cute. Alright, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of greenery to this little setup here. I didn't change anything, so this one is pretty much staying the same before it was for Christmas. Just gonna add a little bit of greenery there. Before I do that, I'm gonna put some pillows or something over here because on that little bench area. So let me put pillows. Now let's take a look at it. Okay, yeah. Now you see how it looks better. It looks with the pillows. Okay. Yeah, it looks better. Okay. And then I added some faux. Ooh, sorry guys. Move my little computer out the way. No, the fireplace is looking so good, y'all. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Just a few vases here. I was thinking about switching this area up, but I think I'm just gonna clean the mirrors and call it a day. I'm not gonna do anything here. I still want to replace this plant as well. Yeah, but so far I'm kind of liking how it's looking. So let me just get all these boxes and stuff up, and I'll give you guys a final walkthrough. That's pretty much all I'm gonna do, I think, on this part. I'll probably come back and show you guys how I finished up the rest of the house to kind of like redecorate after Christmas. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here, you guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about all the little touches I added for my after Christmas kind of winter decorate with me. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Don't forget to make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and join the YouTube family. And I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye.